Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to mix clay colors. And these will be super easy instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have some clay colors. I have a yellow and a green, and I'm going to show you how to mix them really easily. Now, recently, my son had a school project to do, and for part of it, he had to use some clay, so I was giving him a hand with the project, and we had to mix some clay, and I basically allowed myself to gather some tips during the process of mixing the clay colors together, and I figured I'd make a video tutorial showing you exactly how to do it. So basically, I'm going to take a little bit of the green, and I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow, and I'm going to mix them together. Now, here's what I would recommend that you do. You got to get, whatever proportions of each you want. I'm using a roughly equal amount of each, but you can use more of one or more of the other. It's completely up to you, okay? But you want to get the amount of clay that you want to mix, and then you want to put them together, okay? Now, as you put them together, you want to start pressing them together, okay? And you can see they're not really mixing just yet, but what we're going to do is we're going to fold them, and I'm going to press again, okay, and I'm going to fold it. You can fold it in any way. Press again, okay, fold it, press again, and just keep folding it. This is one method. This seems to work, okay, and it starts mixing them together. Another method is that you can use obviously as many methods as you want alongside each other as well. So another method is to take it and twist it. So I'm twisting it, and the colors are twisting together. And once you've twisted it, you can then just, bundle it up again. You can just sort of bring it together like that, and then make it long once again. And once it's long, you want to twist it. Okay, and keep twisting. And then once you've twisted it, you can then just, bundle it back together. So you basically can use a mixture of folding and twisting. And you can see the colors are starting to join up. They're swirling together now, but as you can see, they're really starting to become a new color. So if you just keep doing this over and over, you'll constantly be mixing the colors together. And eventually you will have created a new clay color. It might take a while, okay, and make sure your hands are prepared to keep pressing and twisting, because it does take some hand strength and some hand muscle, but just keep going over and over and over again, and you should be able to get a new color. You should be able to mix that clay, those clay colors together. And that's basically it. You want to use a mixture, like I said, of folding and twisting. And you can use those methods to mix this amount of clay or less or more, just as much clay as you want. And you can also do it with more than two colors. I just showed two colors, but you can mix as many colors as you want. You can see that it's really started to take on a new color right now. So the mixing is working. Obviously, there's still more mixing to be done. You can see right over here, but it is indeed working. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. Other than that, I've done nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.